Alright guys, I'm just gonna do a quick video of the before and after the Wind Deflectors out channel on my TRD Pro. Still new, the license plates, what is that? Hasn't come in yet. But yeah, so this is the before. And after I install them, we'll do an after. See how you guys like it. 2020 Toyota Tundra Pro. I decided to go with the dark smoke version and also the sticker version, what they call, I guess, out channel versus in channel. I had a couple in channels before, and you know, they would scratch my windows at the very top. You know, dirt and dust can get in there and you'll actually leave like little scratch marks, and you know, there's tons of videos on that on YouTube. But pretty much what you get with this is the four wind deflectors, instructions, alcohol pads. It's pretty much straightforward how to put these on, but you know, I'm pretty impressed by the quality of these, because down here on the edges they're really smooth. I wasn't expecting much. I've had kind of bad luck with them, so people are like, why did you go back and buy them? Well, you know, I thought I'd give them another shot, and if they were sharp from the packaging, I figured I could just look at it and return it. You know, got it off of Amazon. So this actually looks pretty well made and built. You know, it's pretty nice. And what I mean by that is, if you look on my FJ Cruiser here, AVS, I don't know if you can really see it, but down here is really sharp. You know, I really wish they could have just smoothed that out, but that's you know, you could put up with it. But alright guys, so after you get these wind deflectors, you always want to pretty much pre-measure them to see where you actually want them to put it in, like kind of like dry fit them. So once you finally get it measured to where you like it, what I actually like to do is, with these 3M tapes, I would actually like to line it up just right above this line here, you know, going back, and then I'll usually end it like right here. So with that, what they also give you is the alcohol pads, and with the alcohol pads it's pretty much straightforward. I already washed my car, so it's clean, but just take the alcohol pads and you wipe that down. Pretty much wipe it down till it's pretty much dry. Obviously we all know with alcohol pads it's quick and easy dry. I'll get that part too. Alright, so once that is dry, alright, so you'll peel it off just a little bit. I like to turn them up. Obviously, you know, there's tons of videos showing you how to do this too, but this is the most important part here. Do not press anything hard or fit. Measure exactly where you want it first. And once you get this side down, you can go ahead and just gently push so that side kind of sticks. And then you can come back around here, and you want to gently push there. So that's how it's pretty much going to kind of stick. Well, I didn't push that all the way down, but right there. Boom. And then you put pressure on that, and you slowly peel back. When you peel back, gently put pressure on it. Get that side, and you get this side down. Voila. So that's the first side, and obviously it's pretty much self-explanatory to do the rest on the other side. And we'll do a after video after this. Alrighty, thank you. I got them installed. I did a before video on it and just kind of put one side on. That's how it looks like on the truck. I don't know if it's just me, but this side here looks like it's a little slanted down. But I followed the paint line right to the very end. So you know, once I get going and start driving in it, we will do, like, you know, whenever it rains here again, we will do a you know, a test on it and see how good that works. Now, I haven't driven enough of it yet to see if there's any wind noise, but I drove over here at 45 miles per hour. There's not really any, but I think it looks pretty nice. AVS did a pretty good job, I'll admit. The corners, like again here, are super sweet. They're not sharp, and yeah, so far overall it looks pretty good. The looks on the trucks looks pretty good. I mean, I kind of like them, especially on those rainy days that you can open the window and, you know, let some air in. Alright guys, this is my after, and I'll keep you guys updated on how these hold up and everything. Alrighty, see you guys later.